Hello, myself Ramneek, and we stay in Sector 70 Mohali. Here I would like to discuss my complicated pregnancy. I had a very high risk pregnancy because I had placenta previa, and placenta previa is a condition where the placenta just lies over the cervix, and it can bleed anytime. Bleeding can start anytime. So I would like to discuss about the hospital, how we got into Sohana Hospital. Like I was actually first initially we were showing I was consulting some other doctor, and we were not getting that much care over there because I had some complications where I started bleeding anytime and they were not looking after me. Then we consulted Sohana Hospital, and in Sohana Hospital we actually got to Sohana Hospital through Navpreet ma'am, Dr. Navpreet, who is a child specialist over here. When one day my daughter Meher, she's sitting here next to me, she was not well, and my mother got her to the hospital, and Dr. Navpreet, my mother discussed all the issues of my pregnancy with Dr. Navpreet, and she was the one who suggested us Dr. Ashpi Luna. I would like to share my experience, how we had a very good experience with her, and actually I started bleeding at any time, and she was the one who treated me so well. She was so calm. Like I was very stressed. Stress was actually due to the last miscarriage. I had a miscarriage also earlier, and so I was so stressed from that miscarriage. I didn't want to lose this baby. I was very conscious about my pregnancy. So Dr. Ashpi Aluna was the one who calmed me down always. And one incident I want to share with you. One day, what was there? One day I was bleeding at around 4 a.m. and she was the one who reached the hospital before us, just on a phone call. We just called her and she was the one who reached the hospital before us, and we were really very grateful to her. And she treated us so calmly. I was really shocked to see her that she had a daughter. Like I have a daughter, 4 years, she's 4-year old, and really a mother has lots of work, and she also has a daughter, and she's around I think 3-year old, and she still treated us so nicely. Like it is very difficult to handle home and work calmly, and she was the one who treated us so calmly, and without any stress, without any frustration. She was so calm and she is so loving that it was a very personalized experience with her. That day I still remember that day when we came at 4 a.m. and she was the one who gathered whole team for the cesarean, and it was I think my 29th week going on, and she was the one who gathered the whole team for the cesarean section at that time, and I was really impressed by her. Then again she was standing by my side throughout that morning, and she was observing my bleeding episode. She was like ki heavy bleeding should not be there, because it's a very high risk. If heavy bleeding occurs, there was a risk for me and my baby too. So she actually took care of me and my baby also. She didn't want to deliver a premature baby. She wanted to wait till 32 weeks. And as a mother also, I was very stressed that I was not ready to deliver the baby at 29 weeks. So she wanted to wait till 32 weeks. Every time I used to come with a bleeding episode, and she used to say, we have to reach 36 weeks, be strong. So she was always there by my side, and like this every I think every 5 or 10 days passed, and I had bleeding episodes, and I reached the hospital with a bleeding episode, and she was there for me. She was always there for me. She never stepped out. She was never in a hurry. Okay, that let's do the cesarean section, as a lot of problems are there. But she always waited till 32 weeks. But as we reached 32 weeks, still she was saying that no, we can stretch it further. So the baby should not be kept for long in NICU, as premature babies, they are kept in NICU for some time. So she was always saying that let's wait, let's reach 34 weeks now. Now again, when I reached 33 weeks, then I had a big bleeding episode, and it was again she observed me and she kept me in the hospital. She took a decision that you should stay in the hospital till the delivery, because it was now a very high risk for me. If a large amount of bleeding took place, then it was a risk for my life also. She wanted to save me as well as my baby. So she kept me in the hospital till the delivery time. Then we reached 34 weeks. Then with a stretch of 2 or 3 days, we delivered a baby, and we had a beautiful baby boy, and he was kept only for a few days in the NICU, and then we got the baby. And it was a very, very tough journey for me as well as for the doctor. We are really thankful to the doctor. She has done a lot. And I would like to add one more thing. The hospital staff here is very helpful. Actually, we have consulted some other hospitals also, but they don't take care of the patient as the Sohana hospital staff takes care. And they have a good administration too. We met here Nanki ma'am, and she always took care of her. She was like, when I was in the room, I was kept in the room for around 12 to 13 days in my last days. And she used to come in our room, and she always used to ask, how are you ma'am today, how are you? And it was really she always used to come with a positive note. No, everything will be okay, don't worry, everything will be fine. So I would like to appreciate the hospital staff here. It is a very well managed hospital, and the doctor team is very good here, from Dr. Ashpiya Luna to Dr. Napreet, who is a child specialist here, and we are actually consulting her also for the last 4 years for our daughter. And here my daughter also, she also wants to speak something.
Right, thank you.
Sohana Hospital, a multi-super speciality hospital, Sector 77, Mohali.